Welcome to the problem solver guide. Today I will show you how to make the flag of India. Okay, so this is the Indian flag pattern. Now first of all you have to solve this Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube and you need to solve this. Okay, so if you do not know how to solve this, I'll show you how to solve it in the end. But for those of you who knows how to solve or who have watched my previous videos, you can just watch this video. Okay, you do not have to watch complete video because the problem solving part, that means this cube solving part, is already, if you know, that's great. Okay, so if you do not know, no worries, because I will show you how to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube as well as make the Indian flag. Okay, so now in order to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, you have to know some of the notation if you are brand new. Okay, so suppose you have a Rubik's cube that is already solved. Okay, so you need to know what is U. Okay, so U means this upper layer. Okay, so this is U, upper layer, rotating clockwise, it's U. If I say this, it's U prime. Okay, so this is U. Okay, so just once U. Okay, and now this on the right hand side, this is called R. Okay, so you just have to rotate once when I say R. Okay, so you just look here. Okay, so you can see when it's rotating this way, it's called clockwise motion, and this way it's anti-clockwise motion. Okay, so this is called R prime. Okay, so now what you have to learn is there's a new layer. That means this is the middle layer. Okay, so if I say this, okay, so this is E. Okay, so you call it E. And if I say this, okay, so you call it E prime. Okay, so let's say this is E and this is E prime. Okay, so this is the middle layer. Now similarly, now this is D prime and this is D. Okay, so you know this is D prime because this is rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, so when we rotate this way, it is clockwise, so it's called D. But here you can see that we are looking from the top. Okay, so this is called, we call it E, and this we call it E prime. Okay, so this is all you have to know. Okay, so one more. Okay, so on the left hand side, this is L and this is L prime. Okay, so why this is L? Because this is rotating in clockwise motion. Okay, so and when I say L prime, this is it. Okay, so this you just have to rotate once. Okay, now let's go and make the Indian flag pattern. Okay, so now first you have to make sure that the centerpiece, that is white, is facing the top. Okay, it's facing your ceiling or it's on the top right here, and blue face, this is facing you. Okay, so the blue side, it should face you. Okay, so let's get started. Now first do U. Okay, U means rotating in clockwise motion. This is the upper layer. Okay, this is the upper layer, so we just do U once. Okay, now do D prime twice. Okay, so D is this and D prime is anti-clockwise. Okay, so D prime once, D prime twice. Okay, so we did this twice. Now do R prime once. Okay, so R prime, this is the right layer, R prime just once only. Okay, now again do E. So this is E, so we did this E once. Okay, now do R. This is the clockwise motion, we just did R. Now this E again, do E prime, that means rotate anti-clockwise. Okay, so we did E prime here. Now what we have to do is do L. Okay, so L means this. Okay, so we did L out here. Now do E prime again. Okay, we did E prime. Now do L prime. L is this, L prime is this. Okay, so we did L prime. Now just do E once and then you will solve, you'll make this Indian pattern. Okay, so you can see out here the flag of India. Okay, so this is the flag of India, and just you can compare it. Okay, so this is orange, green, blue. Okay, so on the flag there is a wheel like thing out there. Okay, so of course in this Rubik's there is no such thing, but you can see that we just created this Indian flag pattern. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Now for those of you who do not know how to solve this Rubik's cube, you can keep watching this video because I'll just solve it out here. Okay, so I'll just show you how to solve it the easier way. Okay, so you can watch my previous videos on detail on how to solve this, but for this video I'll just give you a short method to go and solve it. Okay, the easiest beginner's method. Okay, so in order to solve this Rubik's cube, you have to hold this yellow on the top and bring 4 white edge pieces here. Okay, so to bring 4 white edge pieces, one is here. Okay, now other one, just look here, one is here. Okay, so 2, 1, 2. Now we need 2 more out here. We need 2 more out here. So in order to solve it, okay, so we have 3 white edge pieces. Okay, now we need 1 more out here. Let's go and find the last one. Oh, it's here. Okay, so just push this away from here. So we bring this, we go and find the yellow centerpiece, bring the 4 white edge pieces. Now after that, just look at this color and just match it to the center one. Okay, so as soon as you match it, just rotate 180 degree. Now this one is already matched, rotate 180 degree. Now go for blue. Okay, blue and blue, just match it, rotate 180 degree. Now look for this orange. Okay, orange and orange is matched. Now we did this. Okay, so we just form the white cross on the bottom. Okay, so after that, after you form this, now we have to solve this first layer. Okay, in order to solve this first layer, look for the corner piece that contains white in it. Okay, so the corner piece has 3 colors: green, orange, white. Okay, so it can have, this is also a corner piece that contains white in it. Okay, so just find any corner piece that contains white in it and look at these 2 colors. Okay, so it has red and green. Okay, so let's go and find the centerpiece of red and green. Okay, red and green is here, so we bought the corner piece just above these 2 centerpiece. Okay, red and green. Okay, so after we go and find this corner piece, we hold this cube this way and do the right algorithm as I told you: R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so once we do that, you can see that we just solved this one and this one. Okay, if it does not get solved in one go, do the right algorithm again. Okay, now let's go and look at this corner piece. Okay, so it's green and orange, it's just above the centerpiece. Now what we can do is do the right algorithm again: R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so now it's not yet solved, so you have to do this formula, or let's say algorithm, till you solve this one. Okay, so now let's look at this one. Okay, so now, okay, look at the corner piece that contains white in it on the top layer. Okay, so we can work on this one, but let's work on this one first. Okay, so we need blue and red centerpiece, blue and red centerpiece, and white is on the top. What we have to do is do the right algorithm again. Okay, so right algorithm, and just make sure you solve it. Okay, now on the top layer there is no corner piece that contains white in it, so we look out here. Okay, so this one contains white in it and it's between this blue and orange. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's here or here. Okay, so we just have to hold it this way and do the right algorithm as usual. Okay, so after we do that, we just solved the first layer of this Rubik's cube. Now after we solve the first layer, now we have to solve the second layer. Okay, now second layer centerpiece is already solved, we just have to solve this edge pieces out here. Now in order to solve this edge pieces, just look at this top layer. You have to find edge pieces that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so edge pieces are the pieces that's here. Okay, so it only has 2 colors in it. Okay, so this is the corner piece, this is the edge piece. Now we have to look for the edge piece that do not contain yellow. This contains yellow, so we ignore this one. This also contains yellow, so we ignore this. This also contains yellow. This is the only edge piece that do not contain yellow. Now just go and find this red centerpiece. Okay, so and just match it out here, and now look at this top color, green. So it can be, the green centerpiece can be either on the left hand side or the right hand side. Okay, so since it's on the right hand side, what we do is we just push it away from the centerpiece. Okay, so that means we just do U once. Okay, that means we push this piece away from the centerpiece like this. Okay, so once we push it away from it, since green is on the right hand side, we do the right algorithm only once. Okay, so after you do the right algorithm, you can see that this corner piece is still in its right, the corner piece with white in it. Just go and turn this Rubik's cube this way, and bring it to your left. Okay, so this corner piece, bring it to the left. Okay, so now do the left algorithm. Okay, so left algorithm is also similar to right algorithm. You just have to do L prime, U prime, L, and U. Okay, so in order to do this, okay, so we just did do one right algorithm and once the left algorithm. Okay, so we solved this one. Okay, so now let's go and do another one so that you can you won't get confused. Okay, so first of all, find the HPs that do not contain yellow. Make sure you match it with the center. Look at the top color blue. Blue is on the right, so we push this away from the centerpiece. Do the right algorithm once. Now bring this to the left hand side and do the left algorithm once. Okay, so we just solved this part also. Now again, next one, orange and green. Let's go and find the centerpiece of green, and orange is on the right hand side again. Now what we have to do is push it away from the right hand side, do the right algorithm once, bring this to the left hand side, do the left algorithm once. Okay, so we solved this part also. Okay, so now let's see which is left. Okay, now this part is left. Now again let's go and find the centerpiece. Okay, so centerpiece of blue, red is again on the right. Okay, remember sometimes red can be on the left hand side. Okay, so if it's on the left hand side, suppose you have to push it away from the centerpiece and do the left algorithm first, then bring it to the right and do the right algorithm. Okay, so in this case it's just the opposite. Okay, since red is on the right hand side, we push it away from the centerpiece and we do the right algorithm first. Okay, so and we bring it this corner piece on the left hand side and do the left algorithm. Okay, so remember this tutorial, if you are confused, I've made detailed video on my previous videos. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that once you are here to learn the how to make the Indian flag, and you need to know how to solve it. Okay, it's because not everybody knows how to solve the Rubik's cube. Okay, so now we solved the second layer. Okay, now we have to look at how to solve the third layer. Okay, so for that, just look at your Rubik's cube. Okay, this is the top layer, and you just look here. Okay, and match it with one of this pattern. Okay, so the first pattern, do not match this because it's it matches, but the second pattern wins. Okay, because you can see if you do this. Okay, so you can see the second pattern. Okay, so this pattern matches with the second one the most. Okay, so we take this. Okay, so the third pattern is straight line, which we'll get after we do this. Okay, so now just match it to the third pattern. Hold the cube this way, do not hold this way. Okay, so you just have to match it exactly to the pattern out here. Okay, and do this algorithm. This is the front layer. Okay, so this is the front layer. We do F. Now do right algorithm once and do again F prime. Okay, now look at the Rubik's cube pattern. You can see horizontal line, it's the third pattern. Okay, now do not hold this cube this way, you can hold it this way or this way. Okay, you have to make sure that this line is horizontal and do the same algorithm again. F once, do the right algorithm once and do F prime. Okay, so now you can see out here this yellow cross is formed. Okay, now you look at this edge piece. Okay, you have to match this edge piece. Okay, now you can see out here green is matched and blue is matched. Okay, suppose if it was like this, you had to turn this and match it. Okay, so now if you find two edge piece that is matched and it's just the opposite of each other, that means here and here, hold this cube this way. Okay, hold this cube this way. Now after you hold this cube this way, what you have to do is do this algorithm. Okay, so this algorithm is pretty simple. Do R, U, R prime, U again, R. Now do U 2 times and do R prime. Okay, now you can see out here this is matched, this is matched. Okay, so but these two are still not matched. Okay, but here now instead of the opposite that matched, okay, so the side by side edge pieces are matched. Okay, so now we have to hold this cube this way so that one of the edge piece that is matched is on the back hand side and one is on the right hand side. Okay, so and after you do that, do the same algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U 2 times, now R prime. Okay, so now you can see this edge piece looks not solved, but if you just do U once, okay, so you'll find that all this edge piece has been solved. Okay, now let's go and solve the top 4 corner pieces. Okay, so on the upper layer, okay, the top layer. Now look at the corner pieces. Okay, so and make sure, let's see if anyone is solved. Okay, so none of them is solved, but we have to find. Okay, so if none of them is solved, you have to do this algorithm. But if you find that one of them is in its correct position, you have to hold it on the left hand side. Okay, so this is in its correct position. Why it is in its correct position is because it has green, it has red, and it has yellow in it. Okay, so only the colors, this red should be here, yellow should be here, and green should be here. Okay, but this corner piece belongs to this corner. Okay, it does not belong to this corner. Okay, it belongs to this corner, and we just have to hold it this way and do this algorithm. Okay, so just follow along this algorithm, and after you do this, okay, so you can see that this corner is still here, but nothing is solved. Okay, so once you do this, you have to make sure that all the 4 corner pieces are in their respective corners. Okay, so the colors do not have to match, but it has to be in its respective corner. Okay, so do the algorithm again. Okay, just follow along this algorithm and you can do it. Okay, now you just look at this. This is in its correct position. This corner also is in its correct position now. Okay, because it has green, orange, and yellow. Green, orange, and yellow. Okay, so this is in its correct position. Now these 2 are already solved. Okay, so after you get this, okay, so you have been holding this yellow on the top, but now let's just rotate it and bring white on the top. Okay, and this edge piece, sorry, this corner piece that's not solved, bring it to the right hand side this way. Okay, so this is on the right. Now do the right algorithm. R prime, U prime. Okay, just go and solve this. Okay, orange, orange, green, green. Do it again 2 times, 3 times. Okay, when you do 4 times, you can see that this green and green is matched, and orange is matched. Okay, do not worry about this. Okay, it will get solved. Now this corner piece which is not solved, bring it to this right corner again and do the right algorithm again. Okay, now you just did the right algorithm. Now you can see that this and this is matched. Now what you have to do is you have to just rotate it till you go and match it. Okay, so I hope you learned how to solve this 3x3 Rubik's cube as well, and you also learned how to go and create this Indian flag, okay, which I just showed you. Okay, so just go and watch this video again so that you can learn how to solve this Rubik's cube also, and how to make this Indian flag pattern. Okay, so now if you are from India, if you love this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Okay, just say I love India. Okay, just say I love India if you are an Indian. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. I'm the problem solver, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.